Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today, I want to talk about what we did. We picked up another front cross member from a Crown Victoria. Why did I do this? I'm going to explain that in a bit. So, right now, let's just go ahead, go through footage, pick it up. Same guy I bought the last one from for this project. We're going to go ahead and do something a little different with it. We can go ahead and bring it down. Watch your toes. Yeah. That too. Me too. Thanks. Next steps. What do I do next? So there's a couple things that I want to tackle. I want to drop the rear end. Right now it's sitting maybe an inch and a half too high. I want to do a Hydro Boost. I already have a Hydro Boost unit sitting there. All I have to do is install it, get a mounting plate, put it in. I want to reinforce the hatch. The lower flat area, right now it's got some waves to it just because it's the lightest possible way to do it. It's just a flat sheet. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a little backing plate cross member with some rigid supports, and we'll go through that. All right. Now, for the big project, it's going to be a series, it's going to be a couple episodes down the road. What we're going to do, we picked up a cross member back there, and that we're going to do a wide body conversion on the 944.
Oh, geez, learn the hard way. Wider is better.
Let's talk a little bit about why I'm going with this suspension setup for the front end of the 944. First of all, single piece. Once again, just like on reverse trike, it's a single piece. It's got everything self-contained in it. 2, big brakes. I don't have to do a big brake conversion. All I have to do is slap some slotted rotors, we'll be good. 3, power steering. You're gonna get power steering back in it. Number 4, the frame width of a 944 on the front end is the exact same frame width as what's on this cross member here. So all we're gonna have to do is weld on some mounting plates onto the bottom of that cross member, and then weld on some mounting points for the rear brace for the A-arm. Super easy. all I gotta do is take our spare 1JZ engine, slap it on here, make sure everything fits, get some motor mounts done up, centered, and we'll be good to go. As soon as we know it fits and we got everything basically ready for it, all I gotta do is order the wide body kit and we'll start doing the wide body conversion on it.
One more thing.
The last reason why we're doing this. So this, based on the setup that I have on the trike with the offset. So this entire setup is exactly 2.5 inches wider than what's on the 944 right now. Conveniently, the exact same setup, wheel arch to wheel arch, is what we are going to be going to on that when we get our single piece front end in. So hopefully you guys stick around, see all the little projects we get done until we get all those wide body pieces in and start doing a wide body conversion on it. And we are, yes, going to also do the rear quarter panels as well. Same thing, 2 inches wider. One of the other things we're gonna do, we're gonna go get rid of those 911 Fuchs. We're gonna go, bump it up to 9 inches in the front, 11 inches in the rear. Kind of staggered offset right there. Try to max out the rear end essentially. And I've heard people have been able to take and put 11-inch rear wheels on the stock body. But what fun is a stock body when you can be a nice fat wide body? So we're gonna make her fat, and go from there. I'll catch you guys on the next episode, and we'll get started on lowering the rear end.